Hi, my name is Miss Walker. Today we are going to learn about comparing fractions. In the third grade, it is important to be able to compare fractional parts of whole objects and sets of objects in a problem. Sound hard? It really isn't. We can learn to do this together.
The numerator is the top number in the fraction. It shows how many pieces there are. The denominator is the bottom number in a fraction. It shows how many pieces needed to make a whole.
In this video, we will learn about comparing two types of fractions. First, we will compare fractions with the same denominator, and then we will compare fractions with a different denominator. Comparing fractions with the same denominator is pretty simple. Here we have two fractions. One is 3/4 and one is 1/4. We're looking for which one is larger. Here, we're going to use manipulatives to figure this out. Which one is the biggest fraction? Here shows that 3/4 is larger than 1/4. Simple, huh? Let's try one more with the same denominator. Here we have 2/8 and 5/8. For this one, let's try drawing a picture. Our picture shows us that 2/8 is smaller than 5/8. You did a great job on that. Always remember, when comparing fractions that have the same denominator, the fraction with the largest numerator is always the greatest. Now we are going to try some problems with different denominators. The trick with different denominators is to make them the same. The first problem we will try is comparing 2/3 and 3/4. Which one is larger? Since the denominators are different, we will work on making them the same first. Let's find the LCD. Remember that LCD is the lowest common denominator. It's the lowest number that both denominators can go into equally. For 2/3 and 3/4, that number is 12. 2/3 can change into an equivalent fraction of 8/12, and 3/4 can change into an equivalent fraction of 9/12. Now we can easily see that 9 is larger than 8, which means 3/4 is the larger fraction. You could also draw a picture of the fractions, if that helps, or use manipulatives. Thanks for joining me in learning about comparing fractions. For more math videos, please visit my blog for some videos that I have found to be useful.
How could anything ever be out of line?